WorkshopPay is a new integration from Workshop software that streamlines payments, integrates into Workshop software, and increases the efficiency of workshops. WorkshopPay connects customers, payments, and the service your workshop provides. Your customers can make payments in person using the merchant account or via an online payment request. Online payment requests are sent via email or SMS, depending on preference. When clicked on, the invoice is viewable on a laptop, desktop, or mobile device. The online payment service is completely free and can be activated via the integrations section of your Workshop software account. When making any kind of payment, the customer chooses between paying the complete invoice or paying in 4 installments using Buy Now, Pay Later. Buy Now, Pay Later is enormously beneficial for both your business and your customer, as a customer can choose to get that extra work their vehicle needs and they can pay for it later. All Buy Now, Pay Later fees are passed on to the customer. There's no cost to you when providing this service. The workshop receives money in full overnight, and there's no recourse on that payment, as the financier takes responsibility for the remainder of the installments. Once any payment is processed, including Buy Now, Pay Later, it's marked as paid in full within the Workshop software system. This easy reconciliation will considerably reduce your admin overhead and improves quick and immediate visibility within the Workshop software system. WorkshopPay is an exciting innovation that brings modern consumer technology to your workshop and allows you to compete with big groups and dealerships while still providing the type of one-on-one service that your business is built on. To understand all your options and activate WorkshopPay, log into your Workshop software account and select Integrations and WorkshopPay. Workshop software. Powerful, efficient, and profitable workshops.